Good morning, welcome to work crew. We had an extra hour to sleep in this morning, all of camp, because breakfast is an hour late. So we're just walking. Oh my gosh, someone got pranked. There's toilet paper everywhere. But I'm just heading to the ranch house. So we have to be there 30 minutes before staff breakfast to start all of our jobs. I could not do back pits today. I just mentally couldn't. This is my home for the day, mid pits. She's beautiful.
I'm Jordan. J-Dog. Mothers. Hey. Rebecca. Do what?
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Carol, and I have chest pain.
Carol's dying.
It's shingles.
Yesterday it was her throat.
It's the same thing.
Breast cancer.
Actually, that's not good. Sorry. Sorry! I'm sorry.
Whatever Zach had, he gave you.
Honestly, it could just be strep. It could be strep.
Oh my gosh, Bono.
What's your name? Introduce yourself. That's a nutritious breakfast you got there.
The other one out there looks much better.
You told me that, I literally got these shocked. Like,
Yeah, what's your name?
Blaze.
I would literally be like,
Hi, Blaze.
Hey!
This is Hobart.
Stella's doing well. Actually, you didn't do it.
I would. Now we dry the dishes.
Don't put it. No, you don't want to catch it. Let me catch it.
Kill it.
No, don't kill it. Don't kill it. It's scary looking. Ellie! Ellie! Give me a dirty cup. I should move like that. Oh, that was really long.
We're setting all the tables for lunch. We're good. It's 11:30. Normally we finish breakfast at 10:30 and get a morning devo. But it's 11:30 because we had an hour late breakfast, but then lunch is at the same time, and we have to report back at noon to start our lunch shift. So I don't know if we're gonna get a break today, because normally if we do devo, like Bible study from 10:30 to 11, and then get a break till 12. But I don't think that's happening today. But here's my apron. Ellie, are you front pits today?
I am front pit.
This is front pits.
In my crib, all the dirty stuff gets put in here all at the same time. It's a little stressful. Then we move back to mid pits and they take it away. My current mid pits is
Chandler
bare,
Pruitt. So like rodeo leftovers and sandwiches. That's the bell for the kids. I don't know what they're doing. But I kind of said we don't have a break, but that's okay. Look at that watermelon. Cook through. We heart the cooks. Quality. This is how you scoop the fries. And then you can get a lot. You just gotta like go at an angle. I mean, caught him 4K. For dinner, we fill every pitcher. What is it today?
raspberry tea.
Delicious.
Yep, right there.
And then we have to set them on the tables. But
I need to update my daily life. I'm going to
table. Just so you know, I took the best, longest nap after lunch today. Yeah, back in mid-pits. We got a new faucet and the hose wouldn't attach, so we improvised. This is back pits. Everyone's serving right now. But. And then up here is front pits. Glimmerous. Here's our sink. It's like kind of just like, it gets really gross in here. Squeegees. The dirty dishes come through there. Then we slide them down the assembly line, spray them, and then put them into the dishwasher named Bogart. So they get washed and sanitized. Bogart. Slide the tray. Dry the plates when we go in here. This is the least busy time because all the campers are eating, and so we don't have like plates coming through as we're serving. But staff eats 30 minutes before, like staff that aren't counselors, so we kind of have to do their plates, and that's what I've been doing. But right now, we're just waiting for the campers to be done eating. So this is the worst part. Next row. Here we go. Scrubbing them down.
You smell it?
Yes. Drain.
It smells so bad.
I feel like there's a dead animal down there.
Yeah, that's not how food ever smells. There's no way that's just food.
Oh my god! That's pretty good. It's impressive. Share it out.
Put your guineas away, Zach.
Yeah, crunch them. Watch this and go. Okay? How are you? Alright, rematch. I feel like I want to try.
Oh man, that was sick.
Arthur's the best.
Wait, how do you straighten your feet?
Just do it.
I'm cramping.
You want to see something else?
I want to try.
This one's a little crazy. I could do both feet. How do you do it? Oh, are you gonna? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. These people see this. They used to be able to go over back in the day. Bro, you suck.
Oh,
That was actually not bad.
wait, look, I have more.
Someone throw a banana in.
Can I throw it?
Lime juice will do that.
How do you do that?
Oh, I don't know more. You hungry? Right. Oh, let's go.
You just hit my foot. Because I can't.
Right. No, but if I start, you can throw that in and I can go with that. So just throw it up.
We're showing our tricks right now. Oh, I don't have it. Come on, Heidi.
Can you do a backwards?
Oh, I can definitely do the split.
Can you do a backwards?
I can. So good, Ellie.
In my dreams. Every like months. I talked to Hillary about it. I mean, she was laughing.
Hey. Talk to the family.
We just got into the woods today. A lot of creatures. I don't know if you can see right ahead of us.
3 days in the wilderness. And God said, let there be sword. There's a sword on the ground.
I don't think that's what God said.
You never know. Hey guys, there's my car.
Wyatt, Trey, and
Our late night shenanigan. And that's a day in work crew. We literally just clean and then mess around. I'm going to sleep because we get to get up at 5:45 to go to dinner. The last day. Oh my gosh, there's humans. It's so nice going to bed early because we're not dodging sprinklers. We're like one of the farthest cabins. So I have a little bit of a walk.